Hello my friend, and welcome back to Survival Superhero. From the lowest price and the lightest weight to a premium rugged tablet with thermal imaging, night vision, P80 body cam, and even a throat microphone, in this video I am counting down the top 6 best rugged tablets. Now make sure to stick around for number 1 because it has got some features that you will not see on any other rugged tablet, guaranteed. Now let's get straight into this video, starting with number 6, the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2 rugged tablet. Now if you are looking for the cheapest and lightest weight rugged tablet, then this is for you. It even comes with a water-resistant S Pen stylus as well. It weighs just under 1 pound with an 8-inch display running at 1280 by 800 resolution. And it runs on the Exynos 7870 chipset with over 11 hours of battery life. It is rated military standard 810G, so it can withstand a 4-foot drop onto wood, and it can be submerged in 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Now on the downside, it does run on the older Android 7.1 operating system. It's only got 3 GB of RAM, and it comes with 16 or 32 GB of storage, but you can expand that up to 256 GB with a card. You can get the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2 for just $200 on Amazon. Hit the link in the description below to check it out or to purchase one. Next up at number 5 is the Acer Enduro T1. If you are looking for a rugged tablet that has the fastest processor, then this is for you. The Acer Enduro T1 runs on the MediaTek MT8183, which is the fastest performing processor in this entire video, and it is actually used to power larger laptops such as Chromebooks. And this is actually the second cheapest device in this video as well. It is rated military standard 810G for 4-foot drop proofing, and the 8-inch display uses panel bonding with Gorilla Glass, so it is more durable and readable than some other rugged displays. Now it weighs on the lighter side at just 1 pound. It's got 64 GB internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, and it runs on Android 9. Now on the downside, it only provides limited IP54 dust protection and water splash protection. And it's also got the smallest battery in this whole video at 4,420 mAh, but it does give you 9 hours of standard use. The Acer Enduro T1 is priced at just $260 on Amazon. You can hit the link in the description below to check it out or to purchase one. Next up at number 4, we've got the Vanquisher Ultra Rugged Tablet. Now if you need a rugged tablet with a barcode scanner built in, but you don't need things like thermal imaging, night vision, and other bells and whistles like the number 1 pick in this video has, then this is for you. The Vanquisher Ultra Rugged Tablet has an excellent Zebra EM1350 barcode scanner built in that makes it great for things like warehouses, shipping, and tracking. It's got an 8-inch screen running at 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it's got a 10-hour battery life with 500-hour standby. It runs Android 9 on the Snapdragon 625 chipset with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 128 GB. It is drop resistant from 1.2 meters or about 4 feet, and it is rated IP67, so it is fully dust proof and it can be submerged in 1 meter of water. But it is a bit heavier at 1.79 pounds or 810 grams. The Vanquisher Ultra Rugged Tablet is priced at $600 on Amazon, and you can check the description below for a direct link. Now, if you are looking for a rugged tablet with the biggest display, then these next 2 are for you. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. In addition to the giant 10.1-inch display running at 1920 by 1200 resolution, the Galaxy Tab Active Pro also has Knox defense-grade security with 4 years of support and updates. And it also comes with a water-resistant S Pen stylus, and you can also attach a keyboard to it. It weighs 1 pound with a 15-hour battery life, and when the battery dies, you can swap it out for a fresh one. It runs Android 9 on a Snapdragon 670 chipset with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage that is expandable up to 512 GB. Its 13 megapixel rear camera can actually shoot 4K video, and it is IP68 waterproof and dustproof, as well as military standard 810G drop proof up to 4 feet onto wood. The Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro is priced at $564 on Amazon, and you can hit the link in the description below this video to check it out or to purchase one. Coming in at number 2 is the Oukitel RT2. Now, if you need a rugged tablet with the largest display, the biggest battery, and the newest operating system, then this is for you. The Oukitel RT2 comes with a giant 20,000 mAh battery that gives you 15 hours of videos or gaming and over 37 days standby. And it does feature OTG reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices. It's got a giant 10.1-inch display running at 1920 by 1200 resolution, and it runs Android 12 operating system on a MediaTek MT8788 chipset. It's got a nice 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB. And it offers the highest dust and waterproof rating of IP68 and IP69K, so it can be fully submerged under 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. And it is also military standard 810H, so it is drop proof from 1.5 meters onto steel. Now, on the downside, it is the heaviest tablet in this video, weighing 2.27 pounds or 1,030 grams. But that is to be expected considering the giant battery capacity. Now, the Oukitel RT2 is priced at $320 on Amazon. You can hit the link in the description below for a direct link to check it out or to purchase one. And now it is time for the #1 best rugged tablet overall. It is the Conquest S22 5G. Now this thing is a monster. You can actually customize it to come with a barcode scanner, thermal imaging, and DMR walkie-talkie, and there's even an ATEX version for working in explosive atmospheres. It's got a 120 decibel smart PA speaker with 2-watt subwoofer effect, so you can hear it in very loud environments. It's got an infrared remote built in, FM-free antenna, and M6 extension port, so you can add things to it like night vision camera, throat microphone, P80 body cam, and more. It's got dual 5G SIM card slots plus room for an extra SD card. And it's got a 15,200 mAh battery that gives you 45 hours of talk, 62 days standby, and it charges in just 5.5 hours. It runs on a 2 GHz Dimensity 800 chipset, which technically is the second fastest chipset in this video, but it is the best chipset overall because of things like its smaller semiconductor and 5G capabilities. It comes with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB internal storage that is expandable up to 2 TB. And it's got a 48 megapixel PDAF rear camera, which is the best quality camera in this video. It also comes with the highest dust and waterproof ratings of IP68 and IP69K, as well as the highest military standard 810H rating with 1.8 meter drop proofing onto steel. Now the Conquest S23 is priced at $1,030 on Amazon and AliExpress, and you can hit the link in the description below to check it out or to purchase one. Well, which one of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Please share this video if you have found it helpful, and then you can click here for another great rugged tech video, and I will see you there.